Hello everyone, my name is Nur Ramadhani, my NPM 060. Today I would like to present my speaking practice about the nature of teaching and learning. In this presentation, I will explain about a subject taught in my school, which is English, and also skill that I want to learn for my future, which is computer programming. Both of these are very important because they help me prepare for better education, future jobs, and career opportunities. I hope my presentation will be clear and easy to understand. Okay, first slide. Describing a subject taught in school. English is one of the most important subjects in my school and also one of my favorite lessons since elementary school. It is international language that helps students communicate with people from different countries, understand global information, and prepare for better education and career opportunities in the future. For the first topic, I choose to talk about English as a subject taught in my school. I choose English because it is one of the important subject and also one of my favorite lessons since I was in elementary school. English is known as an international language because it is used by many people around the world. By learning English, students can communicate with people from different countries and understand more information from outside their own country. English is also very useful for education because many books, journals, and learning materials are written in English. In addition, English helps us prepare for better career opportunities in the future because many companies need employees who can use English well. That is why I believe English is a very important subject. Okay, next slide. Who teaches and how it is taught? English is taught by my English teacher who is patient, friendly, and experienced. In class, we learn reading, writing, listening, and speaking through discussions, conversation, presentation, and exercise. The teacher also uses books, projectors, videos, and audio recordings to make learning more active and interesting. In my school, English is taught by my English teacher who is very patient, friendly, and experienced. She always explains the material clearly and helps students understand the lesson better. Because of her teaching style, students feel more comfortable and confident during class. In English lessons, we do not only read books, but we also practice many skills such as reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Sometimes we have conversation with friends, group discussion, presentation, and vocabulary exercise. The teacher also use books, projectors, videos, and audio recording to make the lesson more interesting and easy to understand. This teaching method helps students stay active and enjoy the learning process. I believe a good teacher makes learning much more effective. Next slide. What I learned from the class. From English class, I learned communication skills, vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking. English helps me express my ideas clearly and understand information from books, movies, songs, and the internet. It is also useful for education and future opportunities. From English class, I learned many useful things that help me both in school and in daily life. First, I improve my communication skills because English helps me express my ideas more clearly. Second, I learn vocabulary and grammar, which are very important for speaking and writing correctly. The third, also learn pronunciation so I can speak English more clearly and confidently. English helps me understand many things such as books, movies, songs, and information from the internet. Because many learning resources today use English, this subject becomes very useful for education. For the future, English can also help me get better job opportunities because many workplaces need people who can communicate in English. That is why I think English is one of the most useful subjects in school. Next slide, a skill I want to learn. The skill I want to learn is computer programming because it is very useful in modern life, especially in business and technology. Programming helps people create websites, applications, and digital systems. It is an important skill for future career opportunities. I choose programming because I think it is a very useful skill in modern life, especially in business and technology. Programming helps people create website, mobile application, and digital systems that are used every day. Today, many companies use technology to improve their work, including online business and digital marketing. Because I want to work in economics and business in the future, programming can become an important additional skill for me. It can help me understand how modern business system work and give me better opportunities in the future. That is why I am very interested in learning computer programming. Okay, next, why it is important. Computer programming is important because it gives more opportunities in education and jobs. It helps people manage data, solve problems, and create digital solutions. Programming also supports economics and business because many systems use technology and digital platforms. Computer programming is important because it gives many advantage in education and future jobs. Today, companies need workers who understand both business and technology. Programming helps people manage data more easily, solve problems faster, and create digital solutions for many situations. For example, many business now use online system for sales, communication, and financial management. Because of that, programming can support my study in economics and business. If I have programming skills, I will have more career jobs and better opportunities in the job market. In modern life, technology is everywhere, so programming becomes every variable skills for the future. Next slide, how I will learn it. I will learn programming by practicing regularly using my laptop at home. I want to study programming languages such as Visual C++, PHP, and Applets. I also plan to join specialized courses with Microsoft certification to improve my knowledge and get formal training. To learn programming, I need regular practice, patience, and strong motivation because it's not easy skill. I plan to use my laptop at home to study and practice programming every day. I want to learn programming languages such as Visual C++, PHP, and A++ because they are used for creating programs and websites. My English skills will also help because many programming instructions and materials are written in English. Besides learning by self, I also want to join special course with Microsoft certification. These courses can help me improve my knowledge and get better formal training. Even if the course expensive, I believe they are a good investment for my future career. Okay, next slide, role in my future life. Programming will support my future career in economics and business. It can help me get better job opportunities, make me more competitive in the workplace, give me an additional advantage the more digital era. In the future, I hope to reach a university degree in economics. However, having programming skill will give me an additional advantage compared to others. It can help me get better job opportunities and make me more competitive at the workplace. Today, many companies prefer workers who have both academic knowledge and practical skills. Programming will support my career in economics and business because many companies now work using digital system. It will also help me understand how modern business work in the digital era. In belief, the skill play an important role in helping me become more successful in the future. Okay, the last slide, conclusion. Teaching and learning are very important because they help students prepare for the future. English improves communication skills, confidence, vocabulary, and understanding of the world. Computer programming is a practical skill that supports future careers, especially in business and economics. Both academic subjects and practical skills are needed for success. Okay, I think enough my presentation. Thank you for attention. Thank you for watching.